I'm sure you've heard the news. There's a new player in the AI dev board arena. The BananaPie BPI-SM10 is making serious waves. But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. If you're an AI developer or hardware geek searching for a lightning-fast RISC-V platform, the BPI-SM10 might just be your new best friend. Powered by the SpaceMy TK3, the first chip to hit the RVA23 standard, this thing blasts out a jaw-dropping 60 trillion AI operations per second. Need to run massive language models? No sweat. Think 30 billion parameters, cruising at over 10 tokens per second. And with up to 32 GB of blazing fast LPDDR5 memory, it leaves regular boards in the dust. Expansion? It's loaded. PCIe 4.0 slots and M2 for SSDs or networking. But here's the catch. This isn't your next media center or Raspberry Pi alternative. It's pricier, hungrier for power, and the RISC-V software scene is still growing up. So, buy it if you're building local AI, robotics, or need Jetson compatibility. Beginners or budget hunters? Better sit this one out. Verdict. For hardcore AI devs, the BPI-SM10 is absolutely worth it.